This is the elephant patrol point. Still no elephant, guys, but beautiful nature. And sometimes you just have to be happy what you get and don't worry about what you didn't get. Good morning. We are here in the Khao Yai National Park, and I've shown you a lot of different islands in Thailand, but not many national parks, and Thailand has some of the best. We arrived here yesterday with our car from Bangkok. It was a bit cloudy, but it seems that we're having sun today. We are staying here at the MYS Hotel, and this hotel is absolutely stunning, and I will give you an update regarding the hotel a little bit later as well. But for now, let's go to the national park. Let's explore some nature. Khao Yai is famous for the wild elephants, and normally when you take a tour, the tourist guides are informing each other, and that's how they know exactly where they are. We are obviously not in the loop, so I'm not sure if we can find them, but we can at least find some cool viewpoints in here. And this one is absolutely stunning. Wow. There you have the entrance of the park where we actually started the drive. There's a monument in here as well. And a coffee shop, Khao Yai Coffee. The last time that we were in Khao Yai, we actually did the tour. But now we are with our own car, and I have to be honest that this is a pretty cool way to discover it. So we are here at the Nong Khao Yai Forest Complex. This is a World Heritage Site. This area is called the Soil Eters, and deer, elephants and other grazing animals come here to eat the soil because this is a man-made salt lick. The soil contains minerals such as calcium and salt, sodium, which are essential for the healthy bones, horns, tusks and teeth. So we are here at the Nong watching tower, and this is about a half an hour walk. Yeah, and as you can see, we are not the only people here. It almost looks like they're shooting a commercial over there. Absolutely amazing. I love it here. And we were just talking about it yesterday. It's been about 7 or 8 years when we were here the last time, and I don't know why we didn't come back. But we will be back soon. The watchtower is down there. The views from the watchtower are absolutely amazing. And if you're lucky, you come here on the right time, you can see elephants or deer or buffaloes. And you can hear the noise of the gibbons. Well, I spotted some wildlife. This is definitely worth the walk. I guess these are hornets, right? they seem to be friendly, but be careful. I don't want my run-in with wildlife to be with one of those. So let's move on. To make sure to have all the information when you come to this park here, I would recommend to make a stop here at the Khao Yai Visitor Center. And here you can get a map of the area, all the information that you need. But basically the road is pretty straightforward, and as you can see, butterflies, butterflies, butterflies. It's completely full. And this is also a kind of museum. So here we have a map of the whole area, and as you can see, there is one road going through. So we started around here and we are heading down south. We are here at the information center and we can go about 20 kilometers more. Regarding the wildlife here in the Khao Yai National Park, there are actually 15 tigers. I'm happy we did not encounter them. There are 2 species of bear. There are elephants, there are deer. There's actually 1 crocodile, and we saw that crocodile the last time that we were here. And I remember when I was just talking about the nature path that we were walking on, that I thought it was a strange story that there was a crocodile, but it's true, there is one, and nobody knows what kind of crocodile it is. It seems to be a hybrid. Anyway, we are enjoying ourselves to the max here in the park, and I'm very happy to show you guys around. Let's continue. Welcome to the Haew Suwat waterfall, and this is the waterfall that they used during the filming of the movie The Beach. And by the way, if you're afraid of butterflies, don't come to Khao Yai. The butterfly lady, the butterfly whisperer. So this is a real waterfall, and Mirella has a lazy butterfly. It is just sitting on her shoulder, doesn't want to fly anymore, it's too high. So this waterfall is 60 meters high, and it's a bit of a walk to get here, a very steep climb, but definitely worth it. I will end my video here at the highlight of the Khao Yai National Park. Well, if we would have seen an elephant, that would have been better, I guess, but it was not our day. I hope you enjoyed this update. If you did, feel free to subscribe, drop me a line, and see you guys in my next video.